At the Deland train show on April 5th, 2025, Orlando N Trak was featured there like they are at all the Deland train shows. Let's take a look at their website before we go over to the footage that I took while we were there. All right, so this is their web page. This is about us. The Orlando N Trak Club was founded on a backyard porch in 1987. 10 years later, we purchased and refurbished a disused community center for our clubhouse. Now with 2 full-size layouts and an HO, weekly gatherings and monthly operations, running the railroads like the real thing, as well as taking our sectional layout to shows, which I'm going to show you here in a few seconds. We are a premier model train club in Central Florida. And what I want to add is they always allow the kids to run the trains. You'll see that in the footage that I show you. Here's the contact. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at orlandontrackclub@gmail.com. We typically meet from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Feel free to drop by to see what we're all about. And the location is 15232 Old Cheney Highway in Orlando. And let's take a closer look at where it is. Okay, what's the main road there? Route 50. So that's Colonial Road. So it's on the east side of Orlando. So if you're ever in the area, go check them out. Let's take a look at the 2 permanent layouts that they have at their location. So we'll start off with the N-scale layout. The N-scale layout is a primary layout at our club. It fills much of the 60 by 40 foot main room with a main line 15 scale miles long. That's 500 feet. We model a functional main line, the Lehigh, Monongahela, and Ohio from Brown Brook, New Jersey to Cincinnati, Ohio. Once a month, we run the railroad prototypically during the course of and about 2.5 hours. We run a full day of trains with 6 mainline freight, 6 passenger trains, 6 local switching jobs, and numerous extra trains, auto racks, coal, ore, and whatever you'd like to run from your own collection. A dispatcher in the back office keeps the traffic moving, and everyone has a great deal of fun. Model railroads are never complete. There will always be more to do, such as repairs, upgrading track, refurbishing electronics, and refurbishing scenery. This is a lifetime project, and you got that right. And here's some photos on it. I'm not going to go through all the photos on there, but we'll go up to the HO scale layout. Okay, our HO line is an interesting example of a long switching layout, allowing trains to depart a main terminal, run for a long distance, and then switch one of 5 individual switching districts. And they have some photos on that also. So let's get back to what we came here for, to see the trains running at the Deland train show.
Orlando N Trak. All the way down. Always got a lot of good displays here. Here's Orlando N Trak. Here we go, right here. I love this medical document storage facility.
see what that thing. But I'm gonna squeeze
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Sebastian. Congratulations.
Yeah.
How ironic, right?
Yeah,
We'll have a fun show.
we will. We'll be back soon.
Excuse me, I gotta stick out.
All right.
Yeah, they were starting to cut money on things like maintenance and washing, so they got gray so it wouldn't show the dirt so much. See?
Why is it like a blackish gray?
So it didn't show dirt. It doesn't show mud or dirt.
Have to wash this off in
Yep. Well, I got a deal. Who's coming in?
Me.
You're coming in. I didn't even know
we'll
you
talk
were
about
out. Have a good one now.
No, Memphis. Maybe, yeah.
Okay, I'll go walk around with you when they come in.
All right.
I have more videos featuring the Orlando N Trak at the Deland train show, so go check them out. And here is the sectional layout. Our sectional layout closely simulates a real-world setting along the Folkestone Funnel. Running from Folkestone, Georgia to Jacksonville, Florida, the railroad is massive, 25 by 40 foot, but can be assembled at a show in just over an hour. Traffic is realistically controlled during the show with ABS automatic block system signals. We encourage visitors, including children, to run trains, and we are a longtime favorite at the Deland Train Show. At the last NMRA National Convention in Florida, the layout swept first, second, and third place awards, as you can see right up there. And here's some extra photos of them right here. I won't go to them, but you could take a look at them in their webpage, which I will put a link in the description of this video. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun watching those trains.